In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in Progressive Insurance. If you need to update the card or bank account used for your insurance payments, the process is usually quick and straightforward once you're inside your account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the general path to follow so you can make the change confidently and avoid any billing issues. To begin, go to the Progressive website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct policy account, especially if you manage more than one policy. Once you're signed in, take a moment to look through the main account dashboard so you can find the billing area more easily. Next, navigate to the Payments or Billing section. Depending on the version of the site or the type of policy you have, the wording may be slightly different, but you're looking for the area that controls how your premiums are paid. This section usually includes payment history, due dates, and your saved payment options. From there, select Manage Payment Methods or Update Payment Method. Again, the exact label can vary a little, but the goal is to open the part of your account where you can add, remove, or edit your payment details. If you don't see it immediately, check for links related to save payment options or billing preferences. Now you can add a new credit card, debit card, or bank account, or edit an existing payment method. Enter the updated information carefully to avoid errors that could cause a failed payment later. If you're replacing an old card, it's a good idea to double check the expiration date, billing address, and any account numbers before moving on. If you use autopay, this next part is especially important. Make sure the new payment method is set as the default payment option. Simply adding a new card or bank account doesn't always mean the system will automatically use it for future automatic payments. Setting it as the default helps ensure your next scheduled bill is charged correctly. Once everything looks right, save your changes. In most cases, the update will apply to your next scheduled payment rather than a payment that's already being processed. So if your due date is very close, keep that timing in mind. You may want to review your billing schedule to confirm when the new method will take effect. And that's how to change your payment method in Progressive Insurance. Follow each screen carefully, review your details before saving, and you should be all set.